repetitive. Ang daya naman kasi. At magpigil ng kilig. Ay, ba't ko ba hinahanap yung ano? Meron nga palang karaoke version na. Okay. Alam, nakakamiss. Uy, parang hindi mo kinanta to. Parang hindi mo kinanta to sa ano, barangay. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng lahat ng nakinig ng Barangay LS ko nung last Friday. Maraming salamat po. And ayun, sana ma-stream nyo to. This is my first ever single, guys. Hindi pa to ang last song ko. So, dyan lang kayo. It's all out now on all music platforms. Could get used to you. And ayun, sana ma-stream nyo, guys. Bagay na bagay ito sa panahon natin. Parang iiyak. Eyes are open and I look to the left side of the bed. I didn't notice I was smiling as I slowly kissed your head. And I whisper all my thanks to the universe and all that's led you to me. And as you're waking up, you ask for a cup of coffee, and it's funny, 'cause you didn't have to say a word. I know you like it, know me, and I offer up my love to my destiny. From morning pets to late night talks, you're on my mind, you're in my thoughts, and there's no better way to spend the day than with you. I keep you close and hold you tight. I sing for you from noon till night. Well, there's no better way to spend the day than with you. Could get used to you. I could get used to you. Cheeks are aching as I agree to your antics and your smile. I realize I haven't felt this kind of bliss in a long while. And I whisper all my joy to the heavens and the oceans in the air around me. And I can look back all my life before you came. Everything's blurry and irrelevant to where my heart is right here in this moment. And I offer all my love to my heaven sent. From morning pets to late night talks, you're on my mind, you're in my thoughts. Oh, there's no better way to spend the day than with you. And if I could, I'd make a vow to answer always and else. Oh, there's no better day than every time I'm with you. I could get used to you. You're in my thoughts. I could get used to you. Hey. Thank you so much. That's good, get used to you guys. So sana ma-stream niyo yan. Thank you! cute. I missed you. I missed you all. Na-miss ko kayo talaga. Kaya nga mag-ano tayo, 12:30. Thank you, Tiggy. Lahat kayo na-miss ko. Kaya magalala. Cute nga eh. Thank you, Tiggy. Ay, meron akong gustong kantahin. Baka mabinat. Tayo ay nabinat. Ay, atay. Sino ba yung nandito? Ano to, medyo palaban siya, pero kaya naman. Wakaya. Ano siya, classic song. Hindi mga mahilig sa classic song dito, press heart.
Tickles music covers.
Remember when we held on in the rain, the nights we've almost lost it. Once again, we can take the night into tomorrow, living on feelings, touching you. I feel it all again. Did we almost have it all? The night went on till the morning. You know you'll never love that way again.
Thanks for watching. For karaoke song request, never hesitate to call or text 0950151937. Please hit the subscribe button or visit my Facebook account Tickles Music Covers.
Uy, happy level 36. Oh my gosh, first time ko ata makita yun. Thank you, appreciate you so much. Thank you so much. At maka 40 na. Bukas na. Bukas ka sasabihin ko si Uno. Gusto ko yung palagi eh. Balik ka na lang. Pakinggan nga natin. Guys, malapit na tayo mag-end dahil malapit na mag-12:30. Ayoko kasi gusto ko sa ano ko yun. Thank you, Z and Tiggy. Grabe. Maraming salamat. Na-appreciate ko kayo parehas. Sobra. Kaso kasi kailangan atang kailangan ata may certain followers muna bago mag-live. Eh, kakagawa niya lang ng account niya. Kakantahin ko kayo magti-TJ.
Di man araw-araw na nakangiti. Ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi.
Parang nawala na yung galit ko dito sa kantang to.
Di na bilang ang ating mga
Hello, Cora.
kuhan. Away ba't di natin di na namamalayan?
After neto, kantahin natin to. Tapos yun na yung last song natin.
Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi
Pogi TJ mo.
babalik pa rin sa yakap mo.
Bakit?
Hanggang
Hindi,
sa
maganda kasi yung version nito.
palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo. Iyo ako.
Ang cute, no? Ang cute, no? If parehas kayo ng partner mo na... Hindi naman ako tumitingin sa ganito, ah. Pero ang cute lang, ang idea lang ng parehas kayong kumakanta. Tingnan nyo to. Ang galing.
Balikan man ang
Nakakaingit.
lahat, lahat. Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon na pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng gulo, di ko papapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Oh, eto tayo
Sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman. Iyo ko. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto,
Bakit may abutin? Ikaw pa rin aking bituin.
nagtatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling
Ito na.
Sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo.
mahal sa huli palagi
Ang ganda, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng
pipiliin
i-duet.
kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulit din man, nais kong malaman.
Inaano kita. Hanap ka na ng kaduit. Wala pa nga eh. Hindi nahanap yun. Kusang dadating yun. Game, kantahin na natin. Pero kayo kayo mag-TJ, hindi ko kakantahin yung kay TJ. Wala akong kaduit eh. Thank you. Game. Ay, ayoko ng piano. Piano ba? Nawala yung galit ko. Nawala yung galit ko simula nung narinig ko yung duet. Ang ganda. Oh, ikaw yung kumanta ah. Game. Babalik pa rin sa'yo. Kapartner na lang po talaga yung kulang sa akin. Sama na ng loob ko. Charis. Thank you so much. Hey guys, that was my last song. Thank you for... Wait lang.
Di man araw-araw na nakangiti. Ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mapilang ang ating mga tampuhan. Away ba't di natin di na namamalayan?
Okay.
Eto tayo.
Ayan guys, thank you so much everyone for watching. Talaga ba Z? Thank you Z, thank you Tiggy, sa lahat po na nabagsak